Ntoma I think Dr. King of Fred Matiang'i naga support kuru Abaikoyo. From your assessment Matiang'i chinanya support ye?
Yes, support narrow. But it will all depend on engencho Uhuru Aramawange. You know, Uhuru still has a support, solid support in some sections of Central. Kerawa pia na vocal the excitement yako au create ya servant. Unlike there before, the other campaign Raila, I saw go change here. You know, it never came out strongly like people expected. Asoke goroyega ali akwanira abananchi asoe bichorochoro akwanira abante bikoze biribyabo. Takoletibo last time. Yeah, it meant aloof agatiga mangatiga bande bakolere Raila campaign. But I say kwamwa going forward in abono this time around I think I want to do it in abono Matiang'i abwete badenere gari amabago tarabuiko gari abatebinga this is the man and aba inyulinga last time I warned you people unga ngo salimole onya mogo ntegerera. I don't trust Ruto as a president. I don't trust him somebody who can succeed me. Yeah, he only said and kept quiet. But now I warned you. Yeah, I want you people to listen to me now. No muya, please listen. I'm sure some percentage ya support ya Abaikoyo. Ta kurubosa. And again, Abaikoyo kibiashara naturally feeling na uone biashara vya Kenya. And they're feeling like they're being threatened and overshadowed by the Ruto fellows. So but the dominance here biashara but the chinguru chiabo economically chibe restored and they believe nga omontora abakonya ba environment ngi abara kolere biashara byabo and all that they want Matiang'i. To them Matiang'i can be user friendly. Nabako user friendly but politically yeah benefit Matiang'i. So from my assessment chances are Matiang'i will get a substantial backing from Central no nyagashagwa ojukoja ne candidate yayo.
Ngayoro chande kurusera nimete.
Of course wikarusie isiko ya Nyanza. Iko Nyansero is out. Totepe Western Kenya is out. So the only place ara Nyoro Montokorua Mbuya because of the numbers. And there is talk nga Nabara prepared na Ndindi Nyoro. Ndindi Nyoro is very smart.
It's someone
very smart.
Let's call it on board.
Nabago janaba ikoyo bake bataba bonsi
is the darling.
Is a darling to many.
Only right now if there's a future they have Ndindi Nyoro.
Yes, and the boy seems to be having some money. Yeah? So he will not really entirely rely on Matiang'i and support. So we should call it Nyoro no Uhuru support. I'm sure Matiang'i will be a man to watch in Central Kenya.
Personally I also prefer Ndindi Nyoro. Andombra bate bangana kuto Abaikoyo bado. Lakini kero kuligiri in Western Kenya liwe liwalo itagawiwa.
Yeah.
Because Ruto has taken everyone and people are saying even Wamalwa is heading to that direction.
Yeah.
Meaning Bungoma, Kakamega and many other counties will be locked.
Yes.
So you cannot entirely depend on Western.
Yeah, nakoba politically united behind a given cause.
No way.
And that time those going to check. Only I was near Raila no ago te vadinare mochokoro mumia something. Tuntobu at anything. Tora and Kobatev. So Western no go and Daria was under Natembea, Babosifuna Navande. A peak a few individuals Vama support.
As simple as that.
The Kinyo running mate because of the numbers and the voting block here Kurukuru Mount Kenya. I think we rather request him a pick Ndindi Nyoro as a running mate.
Who
knows? Maybe they've talked to him. Maybe.
I hope they.
And because Nyoro might not run as a president, yeah, because Abaikoyo Bangebono, this is not the right time now to run for president, but maybe 2032. Yes.
Now, based on the current dynamics we see, Navera Simbarati versus Machogu, Kisii County.
That's how it is at the moment. Naveri Gonga, Machogu is ahead. as compared na bali batagete kurusia Simba because he had been there, he did run, yeah. So now we have the pockets of support across the county. So that gives him an advantage ahead of over the other contestants. Nababo Ondari, Dr. Ondari Nabande. Era ise ko pick na go build on what he started and left. I think he can give Simba run for his money. And again, omanyali bali mate babwa the bride getenga na bwinyombe na usi. Na ende
anene usi osekisi count. Anene kisi count.
Usi generally omanyali bali ngufiri alenga politically. No mokongwa na alenga ahead of these others, eh. So uko feel koria karoko nyora abanyali bali bakana gukwana nabo feel tinga mbaye guno no ba debut governor obaire mbaboro chiko sembo mbobaisaine bodi kirogo nkeria. So if nani Machogo can manage to bring omogetutu omonyali bali amo kurogoro na maate, I think he'll be a man to watch again, and it will also depend ingonera go chiko pick as a running mate.
Running mate.
They stock nganabara ende South Mugirango, but about 2-3 weeks ago na igure nda ya change ringa bono igako genda bo Machoge.
Airo Machogo kuri mapema.
Nga South Mugirango no moke inyombe nenke umu Machoge nere na isaine na ba ikuira na nanga no na into one this time we katogenda na into uno to iroba debut witu na bwalenga there before turujino bwalenga withera semangi bono bakaurwa ba firitinga bono tukuna kogenda ale kurwa soburai tubona tanga na into no twale ko ba retained ya sobo debut yalia egere tunagutiokerera mambira bakonya twabire governor. So aise kukira ni bo Machoge chances are nga abako na substantial numbers of votes from that end.
Talk neronga originally Matiang'i no Mugiranga go South Mugirango. Is it true? Matiang'i at the moment iga kurunya mira borabu. But originally
I didn't know isaiboire.
Aladia.
South Mugirango, of course. Yeah.
Gono so balende. So mathematics here Matiang'i will take care of so.
Na take ama ena raisa ko gende tago. Atene nya kwenda alia atene mata iga liosiri Nyamarambe. Yeah, irali kabisa de andwa mintonga nje no nyibolira. Yeah. Kamuranche. Yani montige mubwat simacho gonye tote macho gunero uchukaba finally candidate yaye. Mutige macho montige mongo bosoku ngenjeria kwa nali. Sabu iya kaira. Ejijonsi chikoso kabu.
Aya. Monchali
nere Monchali I don't know ngankiara tima itina kinyombe lia kororwa lakini bana konya take seriously
as a consideration
as a soberai we count like for example ngodene grobo governor nobody no emba rubuka mbale ikase ba koranga na intunto isaine to bwana ko oriente because of that bamana gotigara bakwengusa guchumayaga paka abantu bande babashumunga na bato go decide mutualia inuto joto balete on the board. I think politically they also need to have a meeting babora ninga into bono to ward numbers only all the time. We need something serious on an obo speaker na robate benga na into this time round we katuto aroya moito to make arrangements to agringa going forward ingimo chikotoa talinga karumwa rosere serikali mumaya kwa mwa no we must agree now nga what is in store for us uno Monchali
ketoko pimaiga bagote banga ongwe na bara chikolo ba senate
ongwe kan
kawo chana kioro chonyongo tato
Wikechi kobega skiera governor ongwae no mwako sikira cross tasikire na kolete gasia maene na ende nda kwireli bagiri koteba ongera sana because there was a lot of maturity and stability as a oborai no nyenero binadamu na the challenges chaye the only disadvantage era chukutwara ikara gotoka all these things will depend on whether Matiang'i will be on the ballot. If Matiang'i is on the ballot, Elitaria Matiang'i na olide. Elitaria Ruto na olide na Kalonzo. Gusie romose no bobu no rabe no bomu yabu na babo ngwa na bande. Kuikutwale challenge. Kuikobe na Matiang'i era. there's no way community gutiga Matiang'i ng'echiko akiro monto mao must it will be impossible so na bo moye buno ngwae nonde bakaro as long as Matiang'i ale Ballot na yo tali nere yours is cooked basabe bono dio ikase ate bono njinati na be running mate akobe running mate yo monto then now that will dilute his influence as we see but as long as ale Ballot 2027 he'll be a determinant
nje ndonda kwani wa Matiang'i nike excuse nge yako to abuna bagusi geta mwire se Ballot
geta gutwara
oro ligire dia
anganya rio
ande Uganda
agenda Uganda bodi amenyo na ndatigane
oroje Matiang'i akaiboruga mange akamagumuka agasomi menyenye kera kuri to school akarua agasoiga to university agasome bune lecturer akarua ka Nairobi University agasome bune lecturer East African Community na akorete ga shate ne Kenya Uganda Tanzania akana New York State University kosobe agacha Kenya bado akakolega Zuru Kenyatta ICT agaso education agaso na Minister of Interior enda ka replace William Ruto kera angetoka ro Regas korwa kana World Bank all that experience wacha kera to deputy
maja kera to deputy na wa Kenya bonsi na youth ba debe tenga ntu mondora fix this country Matiang'i unga yogo tiga banta bonsi bara babwa de faith in yunga you are the only you are a solution to their problems
yande Matiang'i e Ballot mbako ike anche to ancha agusitu wakachukuro che
so nio wa Kenya bwa onga tuli makanya yorto manena ne foreigner lakini as long as you're a Kenyan citizen go say
ekura yo mugusi
there is no way
pias Matiang'i
to what choice my brother bono we call Ballot nchiba ibere ayakabe Ballot chiba rwo
ejira to go
yes
okay